Right, on this handle here we've got a broken one. On this handle we've got a broken one, and it's like it's in the lock position even though it isn't. So there's a little technique of getting this off. You can either use one of these if you've got one, which is a zip tie, cable tie, or a hair clip. You need to get in up above it and push out the catch, which is what we're going to try and do here. So it's a little bit tricky. There you go, got it first time. As you can see, in the back there's a little clip, and that gets broken. If the spring on there breaks, it'll lock in place. Like that. So it's locked again and it won't work on the handle. So you need to get your clip in there. See if you can disengage it. There you go, got it first time. It's not all, sometimes it's a bit tricky and you need to get in with one of these and sort of bend it around and stuff, but they work pretty well every time. And then what you can do, you can take it off and replace it with a new one, which is what we're going to do now. So we've got a little screwdriver. Take off the cover, just get in there with this. Right, and all of these come off a lot easier than this, but normally the tricky bit is getting this off with the catch. So we're going to have to get a little thinner screwdriver to get in there. That looks like it's the one. Right, I had to poke a hole in it to get that one off. It was trying a bit plain hard to get. Right, so I've got my little toolkit here with different bits and pieces. There's just 2 screws on this. And that's it, we've got it off. So that's the old handle with the bits on it. You could take that little piece out there and reuse it, but I'm just going to put a new one on. Right, so we've got a box of handles here. You can buy them in a pack. I've got these ones off Amazon. Link in the description. And it comes with all the parts. Now sometimes the actual, I don't know what the name is for that, but sometimes it might be too long when it goes in a hole. You may have to cut it off. Anyway, it comes with the screws, the key. You get 2 keys, or 1 key rather. 1 key and 2 screws, but that's enough. So as you can see the mechanism there on the old one, that will be inside on here, so we'll just get our key to open it up, and there we have it. So there's a little mechanism on here. It's not as pronounced as it is on this older one I'm taking out, but once they fail you can repair these and take them apart, but they're so cheap now you can buy them in packs of 10. I'm not sure the price, but I'll leave a link down below, so it's just worth taking it out and putting the new one in. So we'll use the new screws that came with it. Hopefully I won't have to cut any of this down. Yep, fits straight in. And you just screw the 2 screws straight back in. I think these screws might be, oh no, that's got them. I thought they might have been a bit too short then, it wasn't going to bite on the other end, but it has done. Obviously if you've got an electric screwdriver, or what do you call them?
Impact driver.
Impact driver, that's the word. Didn't have them in my day, but if you've got one of those, make it a lot quicker, but it's easy enough with a screwdriver. And that's it, just do it enough to hold it. And close it over. And there you got your new handle. Nice and easy. And then if you wanted to lock it, you can put it in, turn it clockwise, and that locks it. And to undo it again, anti-clockwise, take the key out, keep it in a safe place obviously, and there you have it, one new window, easily to replace. And as I say, I'll leave a link down below from where I've got them. You can buy them in packs of 10, so if you've got a lot around the house like we have here up in the window, you can replace them whenever they go. They don't last forever, but once one of them goes, they generally, if the windows were fitted at the same time, they're all going to start going, depending on how much they're in use. Obviously in a bathroom, they're open and closed all the time, letting the air in and out. But anyway, that's it. That's how you replace a handle on a window. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. leave any comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.